Hi guys, this is Abhi from Gokcedb. In this video, we are going to learn 8 types of iterators in Ruby. Number 1, the each iterator returns element one by one from a collection. In this example, I'm looping over my underscore array one by one and printing every element. Number 2, the collect iterator returns the entire collection. Here, I'm multiplying each element by 2 and printing the entire collection. Number 3, use the times iterator to run a loop n times. By default, the loop starts with a 0 and increments by 1. Number 4, use the up-to iterator to loop from a start point to an end point. Similarly, you can use the down-to method to decrement from a start point to an end point. In this example, I'm starting from 6 and going down to 3. Number 6, use the step iterator to skip through the elements at regular intervals. Here, I'm starting the loop from 0 and printing every third element. Number 7, use the each underscore line method to iterate over a string line by line. Last but not the least, number 8, use the each underscore char method to iterate over a string character by character. There you have it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.